Good morning, YouTubers. It's Easter weekend here in the UK, and I've been lucky enough to be able to get out riding a lot. Finished my long road trip, 650 miles, which was an amazing experience on this bike and really gave me a lot more information. And I was thinking about just doing a quick video about tensioning the spokes on the wheels on this bike. So you'll see that I've had a few loose bolts, and I've been looking at how to put in place a bit of a routine maintenance schedule, sort of rolling maintenance, bolt checking, and there's been some great feedback on the video about various ways to make sure that all the bolts are in the right place. And probably one of the best ones I've heard on the comments was using a permanent marker and just marking those bolts so you can visually check if there's been any loosening. So I really like that, and I'm probably going to do that. And then the next one was checking the spokes. The wheels and the roundness are completely dependent on these spokes of wire, and it's quite a cool structure really when you think about it here, the spoked wheel, and probably much more complex than a cast wheel. I've been giving the bike a fair bit of abuse off-road, lots of stones, lots of rocks, so I thought it was actually probably time to check those spoke tensions and work out how to do it. I had a look in the manual, and it basically says you just ding the spokes into metallic, and that seems to work really well. I've got a 7mm spanner which works, tiny little 7mm spanner, which is tiny and nice and lightweight, and that does the job really nicely. So I'll change the camera around a bit and show you a bit closer what we're going to do with those spokes. So I've arrived at my favourite lane, my favourite filming location. Such a cool lane this, it's beautiful. So I'll go down here a bit and set up and show you the wheels. I wanted to do a shot of just one of my favourite places. Been loads of people here today, had some really nice chats with people, and people are really interested in the bike. So yeah, it just sort of goes back to my point that if we are respectful and chat to people and be good advocates for motorcycling, then I think we can do no wrong really. So let's get out there and really enhance our reputation. So let's go back to these spokes. Just had a nice chat with some people. So hopefully you can hear my voice, but when we hit them you can hear so we'll go for these two. That's a little bit looser because it's a lower tone. So what we'll do, I'll just loosen that one a bit more so you can hear the difference. Just remember which way it goes. So you can really hear it there, that's quite dull. What we do, when you're actually tightening them, it goes anti-clockwise, and you just keep hitting the spokes and keep tightening. I sort of just took the average of the spokes, so found out what most of them were doing, and then found any duff ones. That's nearly there. Almost. It's very, very small amounts of movement. And that's pretty good actually. Then if you go around, that's a bit loose as well. Give that a bit tighten. There we go. And it should all sound really beautiful, like playing a harp, metal harp. So once again, thanks for watching, really appreciate your time. It'd be amazing if you'd subscribe, and I hope you're enjoying the videos, and see you next time. Ride safe, have your mini adventures, and have fun. I had some lovely chats with people, so I was standing there. Lots of interest in the bike, and really nice, really like that. There's one bloke who said his nephew had come up here for the week, obviously he was a bit younger, and come off on the rocky bit and broken all these levers. So I think it is worth protecting that bike.